This tutorial is a quick guide to CorelDraw. We have the interface here. This is the home screen, which is also known as the welcome screen or home page. We have some recent work done here, or if we need a new document, so you can click on new document to start your new work, or you check the recent document. So let's click on new document, or we click on file, new. Now we see a dialog box which will appear for you to pick your size, the paper size. Now for now we are working with the CMYK. The difference between CMYK and RGB is simply when the design is to be printed, needs to be printed, you are to use CMYK, which stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and the key, which will represent black. On the other hand, we have the RGB. The RGB stands for red, green, and blue. So if your design is to just be used as e-flyer online, you should use the RGB. But if it's for printing sake, like a banner or a poster, you use CMYK. So for now I'm going to stay with CMYK. Now dimension, we have the size here, but most times you don't need to touch this. Let's just move to the layout, which is the paper size. We are working with A4 too, so we click on A4. This is the page. Now looking at the shape here, the size here, we have our printable area. This is our A4 paper, whereas every other side we see here, the white space, is called or known as the canvas. We have our tools, the tools box here, and we have the color palette, which means we can pick any color we want to use for our designs. Then we have the menu bar, then we have the standard tools bar, the shortcut bar, or the property bar.